Welcome to Life with Chris, and in today's vlog, I will be packing for my New York trip. I am so excited, y'all. This is my first time traveling to New York, and it is cold there currently, and I have never seen snow, so I am excited about seeing snow. So come pack with me. So some items I have already packed that were in my closet already that I didn't order. So I went ahead and started packing just to see what things I want to take away or what things that I wanted to add. Yeah, so today I'm going to unpack my coat that I will be wearing every day there. This is an army green coat. And I wanted something with fur around the hoodie. Ooh, and something in the inside to keep me nice and warm. So yeah, this is the army green color. I think I need to take it to the cleaners before I leave. Ooh, I love this part. Y'all, I was on a hunt for something to keep me really warm in that snow. And I think the details are so cute to it. I like the inside too. Has so much character. Let me try it on, see. I ordered a size medium. I didn't want to order a small because I wanted it to kind of fit big. Ooh, I like this. Definitely going to take it to the cleaners to get all the wrinkles out. So yeah. So here we go. Oh, okay. So a few items out of my Fashion Nova bag I did open because I wanted to try it on just in case I had to send it back. I ordered this dress. Y'all like, girl, you going to New York? Okay, so there is an event that my husband is having in New York, and it will be inside. So I did buy a long coat. I will be wearing stockings, closed-toe shoes. So yes, I will be warm while wearing this. This dress is super cute, and the fabric is so thick. It's not cheap. Oh. Then I ordered this denim set from Fashion Nova, y'all. Fashion Nova did a big one with this. I really love this outfit. It is so cute, and I didn't want to try them on right now because I didn't want to wrinkle it. So I will be trying it on while I'm in New York so that you can see how they fit. These are the stockings that I got to go with the dress. And then I brought these thermal tights. Like, they got the fur in the inside to keep me warm. I'm going to wear them under my clothes. I have brought a set of these. Okay, so yeah, I gotta show you like this. Okay. I'm gonna wait. Okay. I got some pants. I don't know if I'm gonna wear this. It's like be my airport outfit just yet. So I brought these pants. This the hoodie jacket and this shirt. Yeah. Oh yeah, so there's the shirt. You know, I don't know if I'm feeling this gold part. I don't know if it fits me. So that. We have a lot of Whitney Houston hooded graphic. Whitney Houston hooded graphic. So it's a Whitney Houston graphic hoodie. Whitney Houston graphic hoodie. I really like this hoodie. So yeah, I think that this would be my airport outfit. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. Should I wear this to the airport or should I find something else to wear? because I got a week, I think, until the trip. So yeah, I started early. I don't play no games. This is just the beginning. Also, I'll be taking this bag and then a tote bag to carry on. I like carry-on bags. I do not like when the bags are in the back of the plane. I have this thing where I feel like I do not want them to lose my clothes. And I don't want to be in that position, so I try to make sure whatever I pack, I'm very intentional when I'm packing. That's why it takes me, you know, almost takes me a few weeks to pack, because I need to know, like, hey, I ain't missing nothing. I ain't leaving nothing behind. Gotta have my hair wraps. So I think that this is all that will be going in this suitcase. I need to go and get my duffel bag. I said tote bag. I'm taking a duffel bag because I have a few things that I gotta put in here. Very small things, not a lot. This is my purse, cash, and the rest of the stuff I'm going to wait. Fashion Nova have buy one get one free dresses, so this is another dress. And then this outfit gave me 90s vibe, and I am a 90s girl. Like, in my head, I am in the 90s. Okay, so fashion, decor, everything is just 90s in my world. Okay, I cannot wait to try this on for y'all. And that is it. That's all I purchased from Fashion Nova. So right over there. Let's unbox these Amazon packages. I ordered a lot of different ones from Amazon. I still have more Amazon packages coming. Okay, so here's one. This is one of my travel kits. I make my own cocoa butter and shea butter. So I'm gonna be putting them in here. Oh, this is my shirt to go with some pants that I brought. The rawest. Keep the top. These two little things were in these big old. Okay, all that paper for this. So I had to buy another toner, a smaller toner, because you cannot take anything over 30 ml on the plane. So I had to order something smaller for my toner. And I want to try this brand. Oh, it's in glass too. I love anything in glass, y'all. Any product that comes in glass, I love it. So this is a brightening toner. A lot of good ingredients in it as well. So I'm excited to use this. A sponge for my makeup. Okay. This is a clear travel size bag. I wanted to try this. This is a complexion brush. I want to try this. And then I'm not a big makeup girl. I only wear makeup for really special occasions. I'm not an everyday makeup girly. So I am trying to learn how to do my own makeup. And so I ordered this makeup brush because I'm always using a sponge. But I saw this girl, she was using a makeup brush and she got like a lot of coverage. I'm always going for like a very light makeup look. And I kind of want to do more of a full coverage. So that's why I bought this complexion brush. So yeah, like I said, these are travel bags. And this was only $3. And it came with two. So, last bag before I start packing up my skin straight. These are my glasses. Not glasses, but my glass jars. These are my glass jars. They're kind of small. Oh my god. They're kind of small. I brought this for my shea butter when I make it to put it in here because it has to be, like I said, 30 ml, and this is what it's gotta be. But good thing, you know, shea butter and cocoa butter is so thick that you don't need so much of it. I know I don't need so much of it, so I'm not too worried about having to use these small glass jars. Well, some cocoa butter, look. Little ball. What else? I wish they sent more of these because they all different sizes. So they come in these sizes. Okay, the bus and the rest. Cleanser, my facial cleanser. That's my glasses. My primer. Everything else. These are the only two things that I have to put into another container. Everything else I could just put into the bag because it is 30 ml. Okay, let me come closer so I can show y'all what all This is going to be my little skincare bag, and this is what I'm going to have in that. So I'm going to put my cleanser, and I'm going to put it in this. Vitamin C. Packing that. My Azalactic. Toner. Mad Hippie. Corrective Peptide Serum. Has my antioxidant facial oil. My makeup bag. I will be packing my Born This Way. My blush. 3-in-1 primer. Born This Way concealers. My makeup brushes. And that one. These are my glasses. My little shades. I don't know if I want to really wear them, but I'm just gonna bring them just in case I do. I have to get them. Okay, y'all. So these are some of the shoes I'll be bringing. Some loafers. I've had these shoes for over a year and have not worn them. So I will be bringing those. So, these. And these black ballet heels that I have not worn either. Makes me wanna dance. See you loud and proud. All my love for you. So this is what I have packed so far. I know I didn't get a chance to show you all what I already packed, but it's just more jeans. Oh, I want to show you I got a jean trench coat from Fashion Nova. No, I need to probably take this to the cleaners as well, but then again, I'm like, it might get just right that wrinkle, and I could just iron this out easily. I love this trench coat. I have not worn it yet. As see, the tag is still on. I've had this for a minute too. I think it's amazing that we as people buy stuff and we have it for a long time, and then a trip come up or an event come up, and it's like, oh, I can wear that. I can wear that now. Y'all gonna see all my looks anyway while I'm in New York. I am really proud of myself and how ahead I am. So thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.